3 years as a superhost, one difficult quarter, a few bad reviews, one cancellation, response rate dipped, and the badge was gone. One slip and you lose everything. Superhost listings earn 22% more revenue and receive 2 times more bookings than non-superhosts. Losing that badge is not just a title change, it is a direct hit to your income, immediately. To get it back and keep it, you need 4 things: response rate above 90%, 0 host cancellations, 3, at least 10 completed stays, overall rating of 4.8 or higher. The rating of 4.8 requires consistent excellence in every category. One weak category pulls your entire average down. Every single stay matters equally. HostFiler covers every category: cleaning checklist for cleanliness, house rulesages for communication, for value, Wi-Fi sign for sync, all in one place. Rebuild your Superhost status starting tonight, free at HostFiler.com. 25 tokens on sign up, no subscription, every tool you need to hit 4.8 and stay there permanently.
Airbnb and short-term rental hosts, stop paying expensive monthly software fees. With HostFiler, create guest books, cleaning checklists, house rules, pricing calendars, and guest messages, all in one toolkit. Pay only for tokens, never subscriptions. Start free today at HostFiler.com.